All right, hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just thought I'd put together two separate videos in further detail on the store. Some of the courses I put up that people don't know about. This is one of them on the JForex Dukascopy. Now, one of the things about Dukascopy, now again, I'm going to make sure people understand if you're in the US, you will not be able to become a customer. Dukascopy is out of Switzerland, and they cover forex and CFDs. So this course is 4 videos with detail of what each one does, but essentially there are a full description of how to build a strategy and be able to implement it using the JForex. Now, for me, there's 2 nice options here. If you are a non-programmer and you want to know how to build trading strategies, there's a video here that will walk you through the process, that will show you all the different pieces and components that goes into a trading strategy. It'll walk you through the data, the logic, the trading logic, and the execution on when to put out orders and what kind of orders and the amount. So you can do that visually through JForex. It's using a Flash tool that they built quite a few years ago. But still, even if you're not interested in really going full tilt into programming, put the investment of time and energy, and then trying to build out your own strategy with it, this is a good testing barometer that you can use to see if it is the right path for you. And you can do it visually through this tool, through Visual JForex. Now also, what you need to understand is that if you choose to use JForex, you'll be using the Java API provided by Dukascopy to interface with it. And as a result, over time, you will need to know Java. Now, I have a variety of shortcuts that you can use to enhance the limitations of not Java itself, but the JForex itself, what limits what you can and cannot do with Java in JForex when you run your strategy once you get something up and running. So I've pretty well talked about the detailed video of the Visual JForex. So it's something that I would look at if you're new to all this, even if you are not ever going to become a customer of Dukascopy. It's just a good process to understand what is needed. Also, here, this video here, video 3, walks you through a supply and demand webinar, and this one covers scalping. So there's a lot of detail here. This one is good for building out backtesting and the process of that. I'm planning to do another course or some further video on how to work with JForex and the Java API in detail on my own stuff, focusing probably on something like the low level, we'll call it sub-minute. So I'm hoping to do that at some point, and I'll make that available for everybody that becomes either a member of my elite or whatever. So that's going to be a to-do that I want to get out. But in the meantime, I have these 4 videos if you're interested in learning about JForex and Visual JForex as well with Dukascopy. So I just want to put that video out there for you.